Welcome back, my dear ethical hackers. In this video, we are going to install the TOR browser. You can just go to Google and search for the TOR project, or you can click on this link over here to install TOR. Let's get started. So you can open your favorite browser, and through that browser, you're going to install TOR. So here we go to Google and search for the TOR download. That's it. And the very first site will take you to the TOR project. Here we are. All we need to do is we can just click on the TOR project that you want to download, which operating system you want it for. You want it for Windows, click here. For Mac, for Linux, or for Android. Just click on Windows right now. And you can see that our download has started. It's a very, very small file. Doesn't take long at all to download. Okay, let's go to the download folder. Double click. Let's install TOR. It's a simple, straightforward process. No hanky-panky, no confusions, very, very simple. Okay, as you can see guys, TOR has been successfully downloaded and installed. You just need to click on the finish icon, and here you will see that the TOR icon is sitting right there on my desktop over here and over here. If you open that folder, you will see that we have got the TOR browser shortcut, and the shortcut is also right there on the screen over here. Let's just double click it, and this is how simple it is for you to install TOR. As soon as you click on it, it opens the TOR browser and you can configure the connection. There's nothing to configure here. It is by default. Let's take a look at what we could have configured in case we wanted to do that. You could test the internet. You could test the TOR network. We are not connected it, and you can always start automatically. So we really do not need to configure anything here. Let's close this tab. Just click on connect, and that's it. So you will notice that TOR seems to work very, very slow. The reason is that it is always winding through different routes, different pathways before actually establishing a connection. And this is why TOR will always be slow. TOR is not meant for speed. TOR is meant for privacy, and it is meant for hiding your online identity. Always keep that in mind. So that's it. Here your TOR is starting, and once you can see it does take a long time to establish a connection. You have no choice but to wait. At times it connects a little faster. It depends on how many layers that you're going through. Remember, it is random, right? So let us wait. And now let us go to another tab, and we'll search for, or we can just type here. Remember here, the browser being used is not Google. The browser being used is DuckDuckGo. So here we'll just type, what is my IP address? Press enter. And we click on this one. So welcome to the TOR browser, and without me doing anything, okay, I disagree. Without me doing anything, now I am sitting in a place where I really am not. Okay, it's showing me Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. Whereas if you will see my actual location, I'll just open my Chrome browser, and in Chrome browser, you will see when I'm typing whatismyipaddress.com, it is showing you where I actually am, right? So this is where I actually am. In the TOR browser, you will see that I am sitting in Uttar Pradesh. So this is how you are using a TOR network to stay hidden, and every few minutes you will see that the TOR will keep on changing your locations, and there is no way that anybody can detect you. So that's all for this video, guys. We have understood how we can use TOR. TOR is the most secure out of the 3 types that we learned. And now that we have understood this, we are done with our module 1, section B. And now we will be talking about the next module where we will be gathering information before we can start hacking. See you in the next module. Thank you so much.